When I'm watching an auditionee, the three most important things I look for is, one, are they on time? Are they ready to go? Two, how prepared are they? Do they know what's expected? Have they read the script? Have they made some choices? And three, how do they walk in the room? When I ask them, usually you'll get asked, what have you been doing lately? And even if you've just been, I've been reading heaps of plays at the moment, it's been really good, I've read this one and this one and this one. That's what we want to see. We want to see that you're invested in your craft, in your art, rather than nothing, just like working heaps, okay? It doesn't give us a sense of who you are, all right? We want to see that you're there and that you're invested and you want to succeed because, as I said earlier, we want you to succeed. Remember, we've asked you into the room for a purpose. We've got a belief in you in some way that you can do this job, that you can get this part. So be aware that that's what's happening from my side. I want you to succeed. It's great when, as a director, I've got a choice. I've got to sit with my writer or my producer and we've got like 5 names. And we're going, but this one's this and this one's this. And so once again, sometimes it may not be you because we'd be going, where's this match up? One of the worst case scenarios is, one, we don't find anyone, or two, we've got such limited choice that we have to go, well, it's person X because they're the only one that's walked through the door that fits the description of the part. So really invest, really prepare, because we want to see you succeed.